Today, we're going to bring a wood tripod floor lamp. Now, this is dimmable. It comes with a 20 watts USB Type C and then Type A charging station port. Now, this is a tall lamp. It's all wooden structure. Very simple to install, very simple to put together. It has a shelving station also. And if you're, this is easy to adjust, easy movable, and replacing anywhere in your area. It only takes out one light bulb, one LED. So, and like I said, it's dimmable. You can switch to off and on with the dimmable switch.
So a very beautiful lamp, which is dimmable. You turn it and dim it all the way, or turn it off. Put it on the brightest. I like this little shelf, and I also love that it has a USB and a Type C, so you could charge your phones or any electronics. So there you go. Very beautiful lamp.